Look at Earth, a quiet blue sphere suspended in darkness. From here, it feels like the center of everything. Every story we know, every face we remember, every civilization that ever rose or fell. All of it fits on this one moving dot. But the universe does not care about perspective, so let's begin pulling back, slowly. Earth, the comfort zone. From orbit, Earth feels vast. Oceans stretch endlessly. Clouds swirl like living systems. The planet hums with activity. But scale is deceptive, because Earth is already moving, spinning at more than 1,000 kilometers per hour at the equator, orbiting the sun at 30 kilometers per second, carried along by the galaxy without asking permission. You don't feel any of it. Motion on this scale is silent. The solar system, a gravity bubble. The sun comes into view, a star powerful enough to define our entire local reality. Planets follow invisible paths, locked into place by gravity. Light needs 8 minutes to cross this system. That feels large, until we keep going, because the solar system is not a neighborhood, it's a grain of sand. Interstellar space, where distance loses meaning. Beyond the outer planets, stars drift far apart. Light years replace kilometers. The nearest star system sits more than 4 years away at light speed. Even here, you haven't left home yet. You're still inside the Milky Way. The Milky Way, the first true scale shock. Now everything changes. Stars multiply into the hundreds of billions. Gas clouds stretch across thousands of light years. Dark matter holds the entire structure together like an invisible skeleton. The Milky Way is roughly 100,000 light years across. And here's the unsettling part. You could travel at the speed of light for 100,000 years and still not be done crossing it. Every point of light is a sun. Every one of those suns hosts planets. Many of those planets formed billions of years before Earth existed. And this entire structure is rotating, orbiting a supermassive black hole at the center. At 200 kilometers per second, still no sensation, still silence. For most of human history, we believed this was the universe, one galaxy. Everything. That belief lasted until the last century. Leaving the Milky Way, the second shock. Now we exit the galaxy. Stars thin into darkness. Distances stretch until intuition breaks. Between galaxies, space becomes unimaginably empty. On average, fewer than 1 atom per cubic meter. Yet gravity still rules. Galaxies are not scattered randomly. They gather, they align, they form patterns too large for human instincts to process. The cosmic web, the universe reveals itself. Turn up the brightness. What looked like emptiness becomes structure. Filaments of galaxies appear, stretching across hundreds of millions of light years. Vast voids open between them. This is the large-scale architecture of the universe. A web of matter tracing invisible dark matter scaffolding. Every glowing node is a galaxy, not stars, galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. 2 trillion galaxies, the number that breaks brains. Current estimates suggest around 2 trillion galaxies exist in the observable universe. 2 trillion. If you tried to count 1 galaxy per second, non-stop, it would take over 60,000 years just to name them. And that's only the galaxies we can see, not the ones beyond our horizon, not the ones whose light will never reach us. As we fly outward, something strange happens. You are no longer moving only through space. You are moving through time. The farther you look, the older the light becomes. Nearby galaxies appear as they are now. Distant galaxies appear as they were billions of years ago. Some of the light reaching your eyes was emitted before Earth existed, before the sun ignited, before the Milky Way fully formed. You are watching cosmic history unfold backward. The observable universe, a limit, not a wall. Eventually, galaxies thin out again, not because space ends, but because time runs out. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. Light has had only that much time to travel. Beyond this distance, light simply hasn't arrived yet. This boundary is called the observable universe. It is not the edge of existence, it is the edge of information. What lies beyond? Honest ignorance. Beyond the observable universe, we don't see darkness, we see uncertainty. Physics strongly suggests there is more galaxies, more space, possibly infinite continuation. But no signal from beyond can ever reach us, not now, not ever. Space itself is expanding. Some regions are being carried away faster than light can cross the gap. Those galaxies are not hidden, they are permanently unreachable. The edge, where questions outnumber answers. At the farthest distance we can see, galaxies fade into a glow. The cosmic microwave background appears, the afterimage of the universe's earliest moments. This is as far back as light can take us. Beyond this point, the universe is opaque, not because it ends, but because it was once too hot, too dense, too energetic for light to move freely. This is the edge of observation, not the edge of reality. Humanity's position, small but not insignificant. Now pull all the way back, from 2 trillion galaxies to 1 galaxy, to 1 star, to 1 planet, to you, a biological organism on a spinning rock capable of understanding cosmic structure. This is not normal. This is not guaranteed. For most of the universe's history, no mind existed that could observe it. And yet, here you are, asking questions reality doesn't owe answers to. Why this matters? Flying through every galaxy isn't about travel, it's about perspective. It's about realizing that distance isn't just kilometers, it's time, energy, causality. The universe doesn't scale to human life. Human understanding scales to the universe, slowly, painfully, beautifully. You may never leave your galaxy, you may never see another star up close, but the universe comes to you anyway. Every photon hitting your eyes has crossed unimaginable distance just to arrive here, now. That connection matters. So here's the question. If you could understand one cosmic mystery, what came before the universe, or what will happen after its final star dies, which would you choose, and why? Write your answer below. And if you want to keep exploring what lies beyond visibility, beyond intuition, beyond time, welcome to Beyond 2200.